Oh hey, welcome to another edition of hand-laid tracks and 3D printed trains with Socrates. Today we're looking at another car, a tank car, a Wascosa Railco car. I was in Utrecht going to a comedy show, like to perform, and on my way in Utrecht Centraal, I saw this particular blue Railco Wascosa tank car. I thought that's a pretty looking car. Took a bunch of photos, just made myself a car out of it. Wait, stop the video. I made a change to the train after I made this video. I added the little hazmat panel on the side and a little other extra hazmat on the bottom, and I moved the couplers in about two millimeters, so they're a little bit deeper inside, so the cars are closer when they're sitting there. Same basic car, printed in four colors. I think it's four colors, and get yourself on Colts. Let's go back to the original scheduled video, mind you. Now available with the side panel and 2 millimeters deeper trucks are inside closer, deeper. Anyway, let's see what that guy was saying, shall we? So, if you want a small version of it, this is printed in Bambu with multiple colors, and I made the little railings in red. I was really quite happy with this car. Really quite pleased, all things considered. Chuffed, if you will. And you runs with the microtrains couplers like everything I do. Little pins on the bottom, shove them in. You can make it in one color if you want as well. I like it in the multiple colors. So you can print it on a regular printer in one color, on a Bambu in multiple colors with or without the words on it. Do you. It's your railroad. It's my railroad. Running steam now because I really like those Kato steams. They're really, really nice. Anyway, get it on Cults. Put some microtrains couplers on the bottom. Got yourself another tank car. Thanks for watching. Because this was Hanley Tracks, and it had a little theme song at the end of the song, and the theme song was the song that I'm singing, and this was a song today. Hey, watch some more trains. Theme song didn't end, thought it ended, but it didn't end, now it ended.